In this short tutorial, we will help you to get started with Tycoon Signals. On the top, you can see how many days you have left in your premium trial. Before we continue, we need to head to our settings page and connect our Telegram account to get real-time trading notifications to Telegram. To connect your Telegram, simply click on this button. If you have Telegram installed on the same device, you simply need to click this button and we will connect you automatically. If you have Telegram installed on another device like your phone, you simply need to search for Tycoon Signals bot on your Telegram and copy and paste this code into the Telegram bot to get connected. Now our Telegram account is connected to Tycoon Signals and we can start searching for profitable traders on the leaderboard. The leaderboard can easily be sorted by P&L in USD or ROI in percentage. You can also choose between different time frames, for example daily, weekly, monthly or all time. For this example, we will stay with the default sorting, which is P&L in a weekly time frame, and we will search for profitable traders we want to follow. On the leaderboard, you can see the trader name and their different performance statistics. For example, this trader seems to be crushing it really well, so we are clicking on his name to open his trader profile. On the trader profile, we can see every information we need about this trader. We see the trader's performance, their open positions, we see a performance chart, how the trader is doing, and we also see statistics and the position history of that trader. If we like what we see, we can scroll to the top and mark this trader as a favorite to find him again later. If we want to follow this trader to get real-time notifications in Telegram about every trade he is doing, we simply click on follow and get immediately notified in our Telegram bot that we are now following this trader. That's it, you're all set up. Every time this trader is doing a new trade or adjusting an open position, you will get a notification straight to your Telegram account. Going back to the leaderboard, we can see many different traders where we can follow them directly from the leaderboard itself by pressing the follow button. And again, we immediately get notified in our Telegram bot that we are now following this trader, and every new trade of this trader will be sent to us immediately to Telegram, so we can copy their trades on any exchange we like. Feel free to explore all the traders we have on the platform because we have many thousands to offer. Be aware to upgrade your account by pressing this button during your trial period to keep your premium features active and to continue to receive real-time notifications to Telegram. We hope you will have a wonderful day and happy trading with Tycoon Signals.